Good morning, everyone. Your host, Golden Zulu. So today we have one interesting application of integration, which is marginal cost. So the question we have today reads to say the marginal cost function of a firm is MC is equal to log x squared. Find the constant of integration of 100 units if the cost of producing 1 unit is 22. So what we basically do, for us there to find the constant of integration, we need to integrate this function here, where we know to say we have our dx. Then for you to integrate such kind of a function, we use integration by parts, where we know to say our u is log x squared and our dv is equal to the integration of dv equal to the integration of dx. So the way it is here, it is, you know to say for you to come up with the derivative of log x squared, you will use both the product rule together with chain rule, where you know to say 2 times the 1, it is 2 log x. And you know to say the derivative of log x is 1 over x. Then we know to say the integral of dv is v equal to, remember to say here there is always a coefficient 1, where the integral of that coefficient 1 is equal to x. Then from here, what we do now is we bring in the formula for integration by parts, where we know to say it is u v minus u prime v, where we know to say our u in this case is log x squared like this, and we know to say our v in this case is x, and we know to say our u prime in this case is 2 log x over x, and our v in this case is what? X, where we know to say x times this is log x squared like this, minus, where this and that can cancel. Then from here we can factorize the 2 to be outside the integral, so we have 2 the integral of log x, where we know to say if you want to integrate log x, we still use integration by parts, where we know to say we have x log x squared minus 2, where we know to say we have the same again, u is equal to log x, where you not say u prime in this case will be 1 over x. Remember I said you have dv, the integral of it, with dx, where here you always have a 1, so the integral of dv is vx like this, where you know to say now we will marry this with the formula for integration by parts, where we now know to say we have x log x squared like this minus 2, where x in this case is log x and v in this case is x, minus the integral of u prime is 1 over x, and we know to say v is what? X, where this x and that x can cancel out, and we have x log x squared minus 2 open bracket x log x. Remember this x and this x, they are not the same. Then we know to say the integral of 1 is what? X, where we have x log x squared like this. Then we distribute the 2 with what is inside, minus 2x log x plus 2x plus the constant c, where remember we are told to find the constant of integration, where we know now that this remember the integral of the marginal cost function gives you the total cost. So we know to say in this case x is 1. Remember they said that if the cost of producing 1 unit is 22 kwacha, so we know to say the value for x in this case is 1 log 1 squared minus 2 1 log 1 plus 2 1 plus c is equal to the cost of producing 1 unit is 22 kwacha. We know to say log 1 is always what? 0. So we have 0 minus, also here there is a 0, plus 2 plus c is equal to 22. Where from here we can group the like terms. So c is equal to 22 minus 2, where c is equal to what? 20. Then from here we can just rewrite the equation, where we rewrite it from the total cost side, where we know to say total cost now is equal to x log x squared minus 2x log x plus 2x plus 20 is equal to, so this is the equation for the total cost. Thank you, your host, Golden Zulu. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.